Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. In today's video, I want to talk about a YouTube research tool called VidIQ. And to answer the question, will it really help grow my YouTube channel? For those of you who don't want to wait to the end of the video, the short answer is yes, it will help grow your channel. For the long answer, let's quickly jump into one of my newest channels to see how it's grown over the last 90 days. And then I'll take you through the key features that make VidIQ a tool you'll want to use daily. It's worth mentioning that you will still need to follow a strategy to grow your channel, so I'll put links in the description to my free Channel Profits blueprint and where you can get free access to download VidIQ. With that said, let's get into it. So as you can see inside my new channel, over the last 90 days from launch, the channel wasn't doing much in the first 6 weeks, and then all of a sudden the views steadily went all the way up to nearly 18,000 views per day, and has since leveled out at around 10 to 11,000 since recording. It's gotten hundreds of thousands of views and thousands of subscribers in a matter of weeks. Now, I can only grow this quickly with the help of VidIQ. We have a formula we follow, but I couldn't do the video and competition research with YouTube alone. I need more keyword and competition data, and VidIQ puts that at my fingertips. So here are the 6 key features that make VidIQ a must-have tool for me, and yes, that's above tools like tubebuddy. The first is the keyword research tool. This is the main reason I use it. It works insanely well for finding content ideas and keyword opportunities. Just type in the keyword idea you have, and VidIQ will tell you how much monthly volume and competition it has. But not only that, it shows me matching terms and variations to the main keyword and related keywords for alternative video ideas. You can then click on each keyword to drill down even deeper. This automatically lets me find hundreds of video ideas and, more importantly, shows me if people are searching for this search term and if it's worth my time and energy. You don't want to make videos using a keyword you only think people use. You need to be sure. I also use this to research new channel ideas and to see if the niche is large enough to build a channel around. It's worth mentioning that this feature requires the Pro account, which costs about $7.50 per month. Number 2, daily ideas and recommendations. Though I do most of my research in the keyword tool, VidIQ offers recommendations based on your size and what's working well for your channel. This feature is getting better all the time and actually comes up with some great golden nuggets. Number 3, VPH, views per hour. I love this feature. When looking at competitors' channels, I like to see what's working for them and what content is most evergreen, as in which videos are getting them views after months or even years. When you have the plugin installed on your computer, if videos are getting more than 1 view per hour, then it will show next to the video. You can also open up the trending tab to filter all of the top trending videos for the channel. In many cases, it allows me to find videos that are still getting thousands of views per hour after years. And I don't know about you, but that's a video topic I want to cover for my channel. Number 4, the search panel. When browsing search terms inside YouTube with a Chrome extension installed, if you're on a computer, then you will see the VidIQ search panel down the right-hand side. This gives you a huge amount of data for the search term typed into YouTube. You get the competition level, the highest views, the average subscribers, average age, and other related opportunities. That means I can get real-time data when researching on YouTube. Number 5, channel stats. Inside your competitors' channels, again when you're on your computer, you will see the Stats tab. You can select this to see how many views and subscribers the channel is getting. You can toggle the date to filter to see the last 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, or 6 months. And it's also useful to see the channel's category and country. Number 6, top keywords. When doing competition research, you want to look for patterns. What are the recurring keywords used most on their channels? The top keywords feature allows you to see this at a glance. Just go into the video tab and select the button. VidIQ will then generate a list of all the keywords the channel uses in videos, starting with the most frequently used. Do this on a number of channels and you'll find overlapping topics between them. There are many other great features for your own channel, but I don't see that as the main benefit of vidIQ. After all, YouTube gives you a huge amount of data in analytics. It's more about competition research and finding golden opportunities. The next question I often get asked is, should I get the Pro or Boost account when I upgrade? Personally, I only use the Pro account as I use different tools for different jobs. The Boost account is only really worth it once you have a larger channel. With that said, there is a great new feature that shows what subscribers are watching on other channels, which is pretty powerful. So if you have a few thousand subscribers already, then it may be worth paying the extra for Boost. Again, I'll put links in the description to vidIQ and my free channel profits blueprint. If you have any questions regarding vidIQ, then feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're just one video away. Until next time.